भारत की आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is an initiative of the Government of India to celebrate and commemorate 75 years of independence of progressive India and the glorious history of its people, culture and achievements. The Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi inaugurated the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav by flagging off Dandi March from Sabarmati Ashram, Ahmedabad on 12th March 2021. The celebration started 75 weeks before our 75th anniversary of independence and will end on 15th August 2023. The idea behind taking it 75 weeks before 15th August 2022 and by Independence Day 2023 is to instill a sense of pride in the achievements of people after 1947 and the vision of India for the year 2047. The Prime Minister had launched Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav in Gujarat and he paid tribute to Mahatma Gandhi and all other freedom fighters who lost their lives fighting for the country's independence before flagging off the event. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav means the elixir of the energy of freedom. The Amrit Mahotsav of freedom is the nectar of the energy of freedom, that is, the nectar of inspiration of the freedom fighters. The Nectar Festival of Freedom means the nectar of new ideas, new resolutions, the nectar of self-reliance. To understand the Nectar Festival of Freedom, it is necessary to know the meaning of Nectar Festival. Amrit Mahotsav is an important event that celebrates the 75th birth anniversary of a person. That is, Amrit Mahotsav is celebrated on its 75th anniversary. The Amrit Mahotsav of Independence, which marks the 75th anniversary of India's independence, will be celebrated nationwide. The Nectar Festival of Freedom means the nectar of new ideas, new resolutions and self-reliance. The celebration of the Amrit Mahotsav of Independence was started from the Gandhi Ashram in Ahmedabad in the 75th year of India's independence. On March 12, 2021, the 91st anniversary of Dandi March, the Amrit Mahotsav of Independence was inaugurated by giving the green light to the Dandi March. March 12th was chosen because Mahatma Gandhi started the Dandi Yatra against the British 91 years ago on March 12, 1930. There are 5 pillars of the Nectar Festivals of Independence, and they are the struggle for independence, new ideas for the progress of the nation on the occasion of the 75th anniversary of independence, the achievements achieved on the 75th anniversary of independence, the steps to be taken on the 75th anniversary of independence, and the resolutions made by the citizens of the country on the 75th anniversary. The Nectar Festival of Independence is being celebrated on these 5 bases. A website called india75.nic.in has been launched at the beginning of Amrit Mahotsav of Independence. It talks about the concept of a better India. There will also be talk of developments taking place in India. Every language and every state is included in it. The project of projecting India on the world stage will also be done through this web portal. Indeed, the nectar of freedom will be for us the nectar of inspiration of freedom fighters, the nectar of new ideas and new resolutions, and nectar of self-reliant India. Department of Higher Education and Department of School Education and Literacy have planned various activities under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Various social and cultural programs will be organized in this festival along with demonstrations of technical and scientific achievements. Hence, the Mahotsav, that is, big celebration of festival, will be celebrated as a Jan Utsav, that is, festival of the people of India in the spirit of Jan Bhagidhari, that is, we all are partners, and stakeholders in the development of our country. Jai Hind. Thank you.